Hey everybody, it's Joe from NC People and Outdoors out at my hunting property again, and I'm going to cook a meal while I'm out here doing some scouting around and doing some work, getting ready for turkey season. So right now I'm going to use my Coleman stove to make this Velveeta skillet one-pan dinner. This is creamy beef stroganoff, but instead of beef, I'm going to use ground venison from a deer I had harvested last year. So now I've got my Mora knife, my cutting board, my Gerber complete to use my spatula, my spork, and my spoon. I've got my Pathfinder skillet kit, which I'm just going to use the skillet out of here. And then I've got my Pathfinder canteen cook set, and my canteen has water in it, which I'm going to need for cooking that pasta. So let me go ahead and get the stove lit and get these ingredients kind of situated here, and we'll start cooking this meal for you. So stay tuned. All right, we've got the stove lit, so let's go ahead and get our skillet ready. I need my broiling pan or my plate and fork right now. I'm just going to go ahead and get my skillet here. We've got our ground venison. Take my Mora knife. I'm just going to open up this package. I'm going to put that right here. It's still a little frozen from being at home. I'm going to get this out and get this in the garbage over to the side. Alright, so yeah, this is still a little frozen, but we're just going to put it on here and start to have this warm up. I'm going to turn down the heat. Just kind of let that slowly warm. Put the lid on like this. And just kind of let that start to cook. In the meantime, I'm going to open up our Velveeta cheese packets here. Alright, what do we have? We have the pasta. We have the Velveeta cheese, and we have the seasoning, the stroganoff seasoning. So, now I don't have any milk with me today. I know the recipe calls for a cup of milk, so I'm just going to use a little bit of some of the fat from the ground beef, and I'm just going to add just a little bit extra water, so it may not be as quite as thick as we would like, but I just don't have any milk to bring with me today, so we're just going to have to make do, because sometimes when you're out in the field, you don't have milk, and I don't have powdered milk. I don't have any of those powdered ingredients, so for right now, we're just going to go ahead and use some water. So let's get this ground beef all brown and ready to go, and then I'll bring you back when I'm ready to add some of these other ingredients. Alright everybody, so this venison is nice and brown. You can see that there. It's nice and ready to go. So we're going to go ahead and start adding our other ingredients. So pasta, seasoning mix, water, and bring to boil. So let's see if we can add this pasta. See this? Yeah, we'll just add it all. What's the worst that can happen? Go ahead and add that pasta right there. Then we're going to go ahead and use our canteen, my Pathfinder canteen, which has my water in it. So we'll just go ahead and we'll add what I think is about a cup of water. Should be good. If not, I can add more later. And our seasoning mix. So this is right here. So let's go ahead and add this in. All right. Look at that. So there, you can see that pretty good there. Get all the seasoning out. Perfect. Okay, we'll get this in the trash. And then just add a little splash more water. Alright. Go ahead and stir this. There we go. Yeah, not a lot of room in this 8-inch skillet, but we're just going to make it work because we're out in the woods and we're camping, and sometimes you just got to make do. So let's go ahead and get this seasoning all in there. There we go. And then you got to bring this to a boil. Oop, let me get this on the edge. All right. Okay, alright, I think we got all the seasoning in there. So let's go ahead and cover this. Alright, and we're going to let that and bring that to a boil. Then we'll reduce the heat and simmer for about 10 minutes, and then we're done. We add the cheese, so we should be good to go. So let me clean up some of this garbage here, this little bit of scrap, and then we'll go ahead and bring you back when we're ready to kind of add the cheese. So stay tuned. All right, everybody, just a quick word from some of the supporters of the channel. First Slammer Series turkey calls. They're made by a hunter for hunters. If you're looking for a new turkey call, visit www.slammerseries.com. Also, Aqua Leisure Services, LLC, serving the Rehoboth Beach, Delaware, and surrounding areas, meeting all your pool and spa needs. Science Scientists, providing a broad range of services, including wall, murals, vehicle wraps, design, print, and marketing services. Regardless of your business requirements, their experts are up to the task. Visit www.sciencescientist.com or call 919-685-7641. Also, Tactical Creations. We're a small, personalized business that's here to help you personalize items to make the gift that you give that much more special. Visit www.tacticalcreation.com or call 770-548-2691. If you're interested in purchasing any NC Piedmont Outdoors apparel or Slammer Series apparel, visit our Teespring site. The link is in the description box. All right, everybody, so let's go ahead and take this lid off. Look at that, absolutely delicious. So let's go ahead and do our final step. I'm going to put my lid on my cutting board here. Let's go ahead and take our final step and add this white cheese sauce from Velveeta. So let's go ahead and add this. Use my Mora knife here, cut off this edge, and we're just going to squirt this all out. Wow, look at that. It's absolutely awesome. Get it all out. Alright, let's go ahead and use my spatula here and get this leftover cheese right there. Let's get this all out. That's every drop. That is, oh, held it on me. That's absolutely awesome. All right, that's good. So let's go ahead now. We got to get that mixed in. All right, so I threw that in the trash. Let's go ahead and just get this cheese sauce mixed in. Let that heat through. Take it off the heat so I can mix it. Wow. All right. Well, it absolutely smells incredible and it looks delicious. This is going to be a good, I think this is a really good use of my venison to make this meal. Wow, that's a lot of food. I'm going to have to take some of this home, I think. All right. Let's get that done. All right, so let's kind of just heat this just a touch, and then we're going to enjoy this. And I'll show you that final product in just 1 minute, so stay with me, folks. All right, everybody, I just turned off the gas here on the stove to kind of show you that final product, and take a look at that. That is absolutely delicious. That is that venison stroganoff. Absolutely amazing looking food. Smells amazing. Let's go ahead and do a quick taste test while you're here, and just so I can try it and see. But wow, that's really good, and there's a ton of it. This is going to be a perfect meal for one of my camping trips later in the year. I'll probably do it with chicken though next time, you know. But man, it's just absolutely awesome. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please go ahead, hit that like and subscribe. Still trying to grow the channel. Appreciate everybody's views and comments. If you have comments, I'll be happy to answer them. And appreciate you watching today. And stay tuned for a new video. Take care, everyone. Thanks for watching NC Piedmont Outdoors, camping, fishing, and hunting adventures.